Hello and welcome to another update video about Coti. Just wanted to do a quick one because it was so heavily requested. I'm in the car at the moment. I'm not driving, don't worry, but otherwise I don't have time to make one. But yeah, some of you guys requested Coti update videos heavily. So currently trading at 60 cents. We have the prices, they come from Binance. Coti US dollar. So in my last video I said I was gonna take some profits, or I actually took some profits already, and the reason for that was that I think, you know, we managed to, or we did struggle to find a new high, to make a new high. Since then we actually made a higher high, but we didn't get above the top again, and now we're on our way down again. So I think, looking at it at the moment, I think it was a good decision for me to take some profit out. I didn't, as I said, I didn't take all of it out just because of the situations where the price could go up even higher. We are still in an uptrend with Coti, but I can see the first signs, the first heads up that the uptrend is slowing down. Just want to take you through that. Here on the daily, actually not so much. On the daily we can see, you know, the MACD is still going up, the ADX down there still going up and in the green, and also the RSI, which you can see here. So it's a bit difficult on the phone, but the RSI also still sort of going up, but we can still see that bearish divergence. Sorry, it's a bit hard on the phone here to do it, so I won't draw a line, but you can see that high, the previous high back here in September, and the high currently, from there, you know, you can see sort of that bearish divergence forming, where, you know, we are making lower highs on the RSI. So that is some kind of a bearish divergence, or actually it is a bearish divergence, where you can see here on the actual price chart from the last major high, no, before September actually, back there. I probably can't see it on the phone. We made higher highs on the daily, but the RSI is making lower highs. That's the first heads up for me that the uptrend is slowing down, even though we managed to get all the way up now. I think it was again to 66 cents, and we're going to take another look at the 4-hour chart, and I'm going to finish this video. Just want to update you really, but here on the 4-hour chart we can see as well that, you know, with the latest announcements during the Cardano summit, certainly good news. The price pumped briefly, but as you can see here on the price chart, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, make it a little bit larger. We failed to make a higher high. So that indicates to me, guys, that we might be at the end of this uptrend. There might be a little bit of a consolidation at least coming. You know, not necessarily we are at the end of the uptrend, but a consolidation might be coming. So I'm happy with my decision that I took some profits out. I think I took between 25 and 50% out, but I also bought at 13 cents when I made my first video on this channel about Coti. And now we've hit the target levels that I told you in previous videos. So now you can really see that structure that we formed with, similar with Cardano and Bitcoin at the recent peak as well, where Cardano hit 310, for example, that we just can't make higher highs at the moment anymore. And that is a heads up. So we came from that high here on the left, made a higher high, really got to the target level that we defined here on this channel, which was around 65 cents. And then we dropped down, made a higher low, which is nice, but didn't make a higher high yet. You know, after that, you see that low bump there, the low high. Then we made what came all the way down to the 50-cent level and made a lower high again. So we didn't break the 65 cents again. And also you can see that down there on the purple line, which is the RSI, you can see that bearish divergence. While the price is slightly going up, or has been going up from wave to wave, at least the first 2 waves, because after that we didn't make a new high. But the RSI is dropping down all 3 waves, so it is a bearish divergence. Even though the MACD has made a bullish crossover, and the ADX down there, it's pretty hard to see on the phone, is also showing us that the green line is above the red line, so actually a buy signal. However, the trend indicator line, the ADX line itself, the white one, is at the 20 level, so it just indicates that we are sort of around a very weak trend, or even a sideways movement. So it has come down from all the way up there. You can see that the white line, I don't know how good you can see it, but the white line was already had seen a peak, and since then we've dropped down on the 4-hour chart, indicating that we have come from an uptrend. Now we are dropping down into a sort of range market at the moment. So I'm extremely careful with Coti. I think the good news, you know, they have come out, they have given Coti a last pump, and I think now we might see a little bit more consolidation. It has really pumped a lot, and we currently struggle to make a new high. So doesn't mean that I think we go into a downtrend. It just means that you should be careful with buying, and I took some profits out. That's just want to communicate what I did, and you can come to your own conclusions. Of course, no financial advice, so if you want to stay in your trade, that's fine. I'm just getting a bit worried that we have two things here coming together. One is the inability for the price to make higher highs, and the other issue is that we see the bearish divergence, which goes in line with that, but we hit the target levels as well, so I'm extremely happy with it at the moment. I will take some profits out, and I put it into other cryptos that are currently seeing the prices go down, where I believe we are going to see a bottom forming very soon. So I'm going to hold that money on the side and reinvest probably into Cardano. Alright, so hopefully you liked that update. Only a brief update because I'm on the phone, in the car, things like that. But at least I can give you a Coti update here that you've been asking for. Hopefully you appreciate that. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, that would be great if you like the channel. If you, that's pretty much everything. And if you want to join as a member, which would be even greater, we are now 20 members on the channel, then please check out the join button in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.